If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still.
Hey beautiful people, my name is Cody the Legacy Mukhale, and this is my YouTube channel. I'd like to welcome everyone back. Thank you for coming back to my video and watching my video, and thank you for the love on my previous video. The love is overwhelming and I'm forever ever grateful. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, I'd like to say, where have you been? So today it's gonna be the start of my vlog where you'll be going with me to see what I'll be doing today on my day-to-day basis. So it's going to start today. Today I think it's a Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a Sunday today, the 21st of Feb. So we're gonna be going to the mall. I need to get some few essentials for my virtual cooking practical that will be happening sometime next week. So I need to prepare for it. So you'll be going through all the preparation methods of I need to get my uniforms in order, I need to get my shoes, need to get my ingredients, need to get my knives, my equipment. So you guys will be helping me prepare everything else. So right now we're gonna be going to Tshwane Mall right here in Mams. So come with me. Hey, so right on about now we are at Pick n Pay just trying to get some of the ingredients. So basically the practical consists of 3 dishes. So it's going to be the starter, the main and the dessert that I had to choose from the given list. So what I chose for the starter, I went with a cauliflower salad, and for the main it's creamed chicken and garlic rolls. And then for the dessert, it's going to be a chocolate mousse. So I'm just trying to see what I can find in this Pick n Pay, because most of the stuff I couldn't find. When I got in, I couldn't see what I wanted. The way most of the time are the veg section, because when you start through, it's the veg section. So I couldn't find what I wanted. So I'm gonna see what I can find for today, and then the rest of the stuff I'm gonna buy during the week before the practical, because I wanna start shooting for the practical as soon as possible so that I can get through with the editing, get through with the portfolio that I also need to submit with the video as well. So you guys are just going to be seeing what I get and seeing what I need to make the ingredients. So let's go. Okay, so basically this video is continuation of my previous vlog, which I did earlier this morning, just so that you guys know what's going on. So I went to the store at the Pick n Pay in Tshwane, and I was really quite disappointed at what I found there. Actually, I didn't find anything. Just to rephrase that, I didn't find anything. I just got like your salt, your stock, your spice, your cream. That's it. That's literally it. I need to plan a 3-course meal, and I didn't find next. Not even a fillet. Not even a chicken fillet. Not even a broccoli and a cauliflower next. Like, yo, I don't know what to do. Like, I'm really disappointed. Pick n Pay. I am really disappointed. I expected much more, and I expected to find things, but I didn't find mix. Like, yeah, okay. I'm going through the most. like my mood was literally up here, and it just went down because I had my whole day planned out. I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you guys the ingredients that I got. I wanted to show you guys the equipment, the knives, every single thing from the full chef's uniform that I'll be wearing on the day. But I didn't get the time to, because when I get there, there's nothing to buy. I come back home and I'm like, I'm not in the mood. Like I really wasn't in the mood to show you guys anything with regards to what's going to be happening with my cooking. So train smash, what do? We move on. So I'm going to show you guys probably during the coming week. Just gonna be a few days, not gonna be a whole week of me vlogging about the practical, just gonna be a few days of me showing you, okay, I started with this, then I go to this, then I do this, then the final product that you guys will get to see as well. I've been looking at different types of styling techniques in order to find like inspiration on how I can style the dish for myself and make it unique as possible. Also taking experiences from what I've learned throughout the years. So hopefully the dishes come out nice. Hopefully my plating skills is top tier so that I can do well. And I still have a lot to do. I still have to finish up the portfolio, but I can't really finish it up until I've done the actual cooking because it requires that. So I thought I'll be able to do certain parts of the portfolio like gathering the ingredients, but I didn't get time because no ingredients at Pick n Pay. Like, what's going on? Like, it really messed up my day to a point where I came back home, enjoyed some TV. I really watched a new show. Oh, that show was nice. Like, side note, that show is nice. It's called The Masked Singer. Like, I never thought I would enjoy such a show. It really is such a cliche show, but yay, it's really nice. Trust me, if you take a minute and watch it, you're gonna enjoy it. And I also watched my guilty pleasure, which was Seven Dalan, because I really enjoy Seven Dalan so much. And I feel like people are sleeping on it. Like, the content that is there, it's really nice, you know. We don't always have to see this type of content that is being given by all these other shows. It's something fresh, it's something new, something different from the day-to-day that we used to with our other shows. So those are the things that really got my mood a bit up, that I even ended up cooking and doing all that. So literally, that's just it. I just wanted to close off this video just to give you guys a good night, to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, and share. And you can also get me on all my social media platforms if you have anything else to share. So see you the next time I do another vlog. Good night. Beautiful people, welcome back. So we've been doing this preparation for today. So today is the last day of the vlog where I'm going to be doing my visual cooking practical. As you know, I'm a UNISA student and I'm studying hospitality and tourism, majoring in hospitality and tourism rather under the B.Ed, which is by Bachelor of Education. So today we'll be doing my visual practical, and as I've said, I had to choose 3-course meals. And as you can see at the back of me, we have my equipment, my pots, the ingredients as well. Not gonna go much into detail to it. As you can see, there's mushrooms, there's the bread at the back, the cauliflower. So you guys are gonna be able to see more of all of these things during this practical. As I go step by step, you're gonna be seeing me cooking it, presenting it, since it's a virtual practical. So I'm gonna have to take a video for the practical, which I'm going to also be including in my vlog. So cook with me.
Fight.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I am finally done. It has been a long day. As you can see, outside it's starting to get dark because of the rain. So right here we have the cauliflower salad, and then this is the creamed chicken with the garlic bread and the chocolate mousse. I already started. I even forgot that I had to take a video for you guys. I forgot. Sorry for that. So let's dig in. I'm a really big fan of the cauliflower with the French dressing. I didn't think it was going to be nice, but it's actually quite nice. So now we're going to go to the bread, the garlic bread and the cream chicken. Way too bad as fuck. Way too bad as fuck. We are literally enjoying everything here. It's a mukbang on its own. So now we're gonna try the mousse. Let me try to pick it up because it's not heavy. As you can see, this is the mousse. So let's taste it. So creamy, so rich. You know what? No. Come on, man. So thank you so much for tuning in on my video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. And for all the recipes, I'll be sharing them on my Instagram page at Cody_the_legacy. I'll create a highlight of everything, the pictures of the dishes and the recipe as well, and the step-by-step of how to do it. So until we meet again, this is my second video. Hopefully you guys love it as much as I do. Peace out.